question says copper on reacting with conc H2SO4 produces copper sulfate. Find the weight. What are the two things that you have to find? The weight of copper sulfate formed as a product and the weight of acid required to react with copper. So here your weights will be given to you. Copper is 64 and here we have calculated 2 moles. So H2SO4 is 98, 2 into 98, that is 196, and copper sulfate 64, sulfur 32, and 4 oxygen means 16 into 4 is 64, that is 160. Now 64, what you have to find, as yesterday also we were talking about, that whatever you have to find, that you have to keep it on the right hand side. So copper sulfate, weight of copper sulfate you have to find out. Here it is given. Let us see 1 mole is reacting with how much? 1 mole is reacting with 64 grams and 160 is formed. Reacting with copper, there should be something is missing in that. 1.2 grams, okay, 1.28, this is not provided here. 1.28 grams of copper you have to find out. So 64 grams of copper reacts with how much? Reacts to form how much? 160. 64 grams of copper forms 160 grams of copper sulfate. Therefore, 1.28 gram, 28 grams of copper will form how much of copper sulfate? So 160 divided by 64, 1 gram will form 160 by 64 into 1.28. That is the value. Next question says the weight of acid required. Weight of acid. When 64 grams are reacting, then how much of H2SO4 is needed? 196. So 64 grams, this is the first part, second part. 64 grams of copper reacts with 196 grams of sulfuric acid. Therefore, 1.28 grams of copper will react with 196 divided by 64. This is for 1 gram, and that into how much is reacting? 1.28. That will be the weight of H2SO4 that it will be reacting with.